Just did a feature for the Tomica Aeon, Toyota Land Cruiser in UK police specs. And on the right is the retired Tomica red box, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10, also in UK police, one of my favorite retired Tomica red box. And today I'm very happy to add another UK police to my collection, and that's the Nissan Silvia. There's several other UK police casting around, but I have been looking for this particular casting for quite a while. And before I unbox this Silvia, let's take a short recap on the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is definitely one of my favorite Tomica. The UK police livery is stunning with checkered design and very loud colors. Looks realistic as well, with plastic insert headlights. So the Toyota logo is very visible, with standard button wheels in off-road scheme. You can see the very distinctive police marking on the hood and also on the side. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10, also in UK police specs, very sharp with the UK police livery as well in checkered design. Though the details wise is quite basic, with unpainted headlights because it's in silver. The stunning police livery on the Evo X make it a very popular casting among collectors. What I really like is the police marking on the rear. I guess this is a stop sign in very loud and luminous color scheme. And now the Nissan Silvia, which belongs to the Tomica special model. Unlike the other two castings, you cannot see the Silvia casting on the outer box. It's labeled as number 25, made in 2004 in China. As always, keep all my retired casting in the tea bags to prevent paint bubbling. Wow, a very sharp and clean casting with beautiful details. Same stunning UK police livery with checkered design. Although the color hue is different from each casting, the predominant color is still the same in striking blue and also sort of luminous yellow. You can see back in those days, majority of the headlights are in chrome finish. No chrome loss after all these years, and that's great. Really like the painted details on the front. It makes it slightly more realistic than the rest. And on the top, you can see the Tomica special model logo and also very well crafted police siren. The livery on the rear is stunning. Really like the design here in red and luminous yellow. I guess it's a stop sign, labeled as police crime stoppers. Standard racing wheels with suspension and opening doors. And overall, very happy to add the Nissan Silvia into my UK police collection. More Tomica unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.